रिकॉर्डिंग
रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है
ना
क्या चल रहा है
जी बोलेगा रिकॉर्डिंग
सर ये सारा चीज है ठीक है ना चालू तो क्या रिकॉर्डिंग है चल
स्क्रीन पर गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning, sir.
हाँ गुड मॉर्निंग अच्छा Saturday I discussed regarding so many topics of the previous chapter, that is mutualism, parasitism, commensalism, etc. Mutualism, again I am discussing, it is the interaction or between two organisms where both the organisms are mutually benefited. It is a type of interaction between two organisms where both the organisms are benefited. As for example, lichens, algae and fungi. Algae having the green coloring matter and the raw material supplied by the fungal part. Another example, mycorrhiza, the roots of the angiosperm and the fungal association. These are mutually benefited. Another example of the mutualism or symbiosis, that is rhizobium and the root nodules of the leguminous plant. See, these are the example of the mutualism. Now, parasitism, it is interaction between the two organisms where one organism draw the nutrients from the body of the host and the parasite which draw the nutrients from the body of the host. Okay. So, next one, amensalism. It is a type of interaction. Number 3, it is a type of interaction where one organism is benefited, another organism neither benefited nor harmed. This is called the commensalism. Another example, amensalism. Amensalism, it is a type of interaction between the two organisms where one organism is benefited, other organism neither benefited nor harmed. This is amensalism. Amensalism example, penicillium. Penicillium secretes penicillin, but penicillin causes harmful effect to the other bacteria. Another example of commensalism, that is sea anemone and hermit crab. Sea anemone not able to move one place to another, but on the back side of the hermit crab, they can use and they shift one place to another. Another example of the commensalism, epiphytotic plants of the that is Bromelia family, that is orchid. Ideal example, orchid mainly found on the mango tree, and it has two types of the root, hanging root and clinging root. Hanging root, they have the special structure known as the hosterium, which helps to draw the moisture from the atmosphere, and the clinging root, they draw the nutrients from the body. Okay, so this is a type of interaction. Yes, that is Saturday I discussed. Now new chapter I am going to start, that is ecosystem. Chapter name of the chapter, ecosystem definition already you have written or I discussed. It is a self-content. It is a self-content distinct community of the organism. distinct community of the organism and relationship with the environment okay. So this is the definition of ecosystem. It is self-contained distinct community of organism and relationship with the environment. A definition लिखो. It is a self-contained distinct community of the organism and relationship with the environment. Complete. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, completed.
कंप्लीट हो गया ना. इट इज सेल्फ
Yes,
कॉन्टेंट
sir.
कम्युनिटी. न्यू चैप्टर है. इकोसिस्टम एक न्यू चैप्टर. तो पॉपुलेशन एंड ऑर्गेनिज्म कंप्लीट हो चुका है. ठीक है. ये न्यू चैप्टर दैट इज सेकंड चैप्टर. ये चैप्टर ऑलरेडी डिलीटेड लेकिन फिर भी आपको पढ़ना है. ठीक है. Ecosystem, it is a self-contained distinct community of the organism and relationship with the environment. This is called the ecosystem. Next one. Ecotone definition. What is ecotone? It is the transitional zone between two ecosystem where one ecosystem ends and another ecosystem starts. This is called ecotone. Ecotone is the transitional zone between two ecosystems where one ecosystem ends and another ecosystem starts. Ideal example is the bank of the river. The terrestrial as well as the aquatic ecosystem both are, that means where terrestrial ecosystem end and the aquatic ecosystem start. So bank of the river or bank of the pond, these are the ideal example of ecotone. Ecotone is the transitional zone between two ecosystems where one ecosystem end, another ecosystem start. Okay, one ecosystem end, another ecosystem starts. Okay, so next example, write down bank of the river. Bank of the river. Bank of the river. Example. Writing or not? Hello. It is the
Yes, sir.
transitional zone between two ecosystems where one ecosystem ends another. आप लोग सोचते हैं ये चैप्टर डिलीटेड है तो पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं, लेकिन इसमें से बहुत सारा डेफिनेशन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में आएगा और प्रीवियस चैप्टर में भी आपको स्टडी करना पड़ा. ठीक है. Ecotone, it is the transitional zone between the two ecosystems where one ecosystem ends, another ecosystem start. Next one, biome. Biome का definition. Biome. Several get together in a common geographical areas and controlled by the climate several ecosystems get together in a common geographical area and controlled by the climate, then it is called the biome. Example, tundra forest, deciduous forest, okay, deciduous forest, tundra forest, etc. Okay, tundra forest, deciduous forest, etc. Several ecosystems when get together in a common geographical area and it is controlled by climate, then it is called tundra, then it is called the biome. Example is tundra forest, deciduous forest, etc. Now, question arises: what are the differences between biome and ecosystem? Biome and ecosystem. What are the differences between biome and ecosystem? Biome cannot be prepared artificially, but ecosystem artificially prepared. Ecosystem. Next, ecosystem and biome. Ecosystem and biome. Ecosystem, that is artificially prepared, can be artificially prepared, cannot be artificially prepared. Cannot be artificially prepared. So this is the main difference between ecosystem and biome. Can be artificially prepared. Another is cannot be artificially prepared. Ecosystem is controlled by the climatic, not controlled by the climatic condition. That's why artificially prepared. Example, aquarium, agricultural field, and here tundra forest, evergreen forest, green forest. Tundra forest and evergreen forest cannot be prepared in Patna because it is totally controlled by the climates. Okay, tundra forest as well as evergreen forest cannot be prepared at Patna. Understand or not? Biome and ecosystem, what are the differences? Ecosystem can be prepared artificially, but biome cannot be prepared artificially. Okay, ecosystem can be prepared artificially, biome cannot be prepared artificially. Okay. Next. Hello.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये देख रहे हैं कि
Yes,
नहीं?
sir.
रिस्पॉन्स आप लोग से मिलता ही नहीं है। इकोसिस्टम बायोम, इकोसिस्टम बायोम का डिफरेंसेस। इकोसिस्टम कैन बी आर्टिफिशियली प्रिपेयर्ड, बायोम कैन नॉट बी आर्टिफिशियली प्रिपेयर्ड। इकोसिस्टम के एग्जांपल आर दैट इज एट मैन-मेड इकोसिस्टम में एक्वेरियम आइडियल एग्जांपल। सेकंड वन एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड बायोम as it is not prepared artificially. Two examples, tundra forest and evergreen forest. As it is totally controlled by the climate, that's why this cannot be prepared. It cannot be prepared artificially. As for example, tundra forest and evergreen forest cannot be prepared in Patna. Okay, as it is controlled by the climate. Next one, components of the ecosystem. Components of ecosystem. Components of ecosystem. Two components. Biotic component and abiotic component. Biotic component, abiotic component. Biotic component, plants and animals. And animals. Abiotic components में air, water, light, temperature, soil, etc. Biotic components are all further classified. ये सब आप लिखो, write down it. Biotic components, plants and animals. Abiotic components, air, water, light, temperature, soil. कंप्लीट होगा तो बताओगे। कंप्लीट। हेलो, हाँ।
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट, बायोटिक कंपोनेंट का बारे में डिटेल्स। बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स, बायोटिक components, biotic components, producer, consumer and decomposer. Consumers and decomposers. Okay. तीन है प्रोड्यूसर्स, green plants, or consumer. These are also three types. Primary consumer, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumer, tertiary consumer. Decomposers, that means microorganism, bacteria, fungi. Example, microorganism, bacteria, fungi. These are primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. Producers, green plants. Producers का example green plants. Primary consumers. Consumers are different types. Primary consumer, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. Now decomposers example, they can decompose the dead and organic. After the death of the plants and animals, the body is decomposed with the soil. Ideal example is the microbes, bacteria and fungi. These are called the decomposer or putrefying bacteria. Consumers are primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers. Primary consume, they consume the producers, and secondary consumers, they consume the primary consumers, and tertiary consumers, they consume the secondary consumers. Okay, primary consumers, secondary, tertiary consumers. ये तीन का एग्जांपल क्या होगा? हेलो, primary consumers. Hello, 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 hello. Complete. Hello.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो इसमें प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर का एग्जांपल क्या होगा, सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर का, टर्शियरी कंज्यूमर का क्या होगा? इकोसिस्टम में एग्जांपल बताओ. प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर एग्जांपल. Consumer. Example beer. Secondary consumer. Primary consumer. Mouse. Secondary consumer, snake. Tertiary consumer, peacock. Peacock. So these are the example in terrestrial ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem. Primary consumer, secondary consumer and tertiary consumer. That is mouse, snake and peacock. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन ट्रॉपिक लेवल। ट्रॉपिक level, the organism or the stages of organism through which food and nutrients are transferred is known as trophic level. Is known as trophic level. The level or stages of organism through which food and nutrient is transferred known as trophic level. Next, complete. Next, food chain. Food chain. A series of organisms through which food and nutrient are transferred is known as food chain. The series of organisms through which food and nutrients are transported is known as food chain. Okay, the series of organisms through which food and nutrients are transported are known as food chain. Okay, the series of organisms through which food and nutrients are transported is known as food chain. Suppose plants, grass, mouse, then snake, then peacock. This is a food chain. This is food chain. Example of food chain. This is the example of food chain. The series of organisms through which food and nutrients are transferred is known as food chain. Next, the series of organisms through which food and nutrients are transported is known as food chain. Next one, food web. Several ecosystems, several food chains, when several food chains, when interconnected by different species, is known as different species, and food chain become complicated. The complicated food chain is known as food web. Food web definition, इसको लिखो. Food web, several food chain when interconnected by different species and the food chain become complicated. The complicated food chain is known as food web. Several food chain when interconnected by different species and the food chain become complicated. The complicated food chain is known as the food web. Complicated food chain is known as food web. Complete. Hello.
Yes, sir.
One example of the food web. Plant, deer, tiger, this one, plant, mouse, that is snake, then peacock, plant, insect, frog, insect, then frog, then snake, then hawk. This is one. This one. This is peacock. Here also snake. So this is a complicated food chain or food web. This is the example of the food web. food web. This is the example of food web. Okay, इसको ड्रॉ करो. Complete. Hello.
Yes, sir.
इसको बनाओ. फूड वेब का एक एग्जांपल, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फूड चेन.
So completed.
Next. Number of trophic level 10% law of energy transfer. Ten percent law of energy transfer. Ten percent law of energy transfer. Lindman in 1942 introduced (10% law of energy transfer. According to him, only 10% energy is to be transferred to the next trophic level. Trophic level 90% energy to be released in the atmosphere in the form of heat. So this is 10% law of energy transfer. इसको लिख लो. This is 10% law of energy transfer. Lindman, scientist, in the year of 1942, introduced 10% law of energy transfer. According to him, only 10% energy to be transferred to the next trophic level, and the 90% energy to be released in the atmosphere in the form of the heat. And this heat is known as the community heat. This heat is known as community heat. इसको लिखो. कंप्लीट होगा तो बताओगे.
Complete.